Chosen ones, where you are. Chosen ones, back with another powerful and productive video. Before we proceed with this video, let's quickly take some few seconds to do our smiling exercise. Yes, chosen one, that is so beautiful, that is so great. You read the title of this video. Yes, chosen one, how to make someone regret after treating you terribly. Oh yes, you got to make them regret. And these are the ways that you can make someone regret after treating you terribly. And then they, breaking up with you, leaving you, whatever, right? Great. The first thing you got to understand is that you have to ask yourself, are you a good person? And if the answer is yes, that's it, case closed. Yes. If the answer is yes, case closed. You are a winner. You've not lost them, they've lost you. Oh yeah, because you are a good person. And for you to know that you are indeed a good person, you will always question yourself. I wish everybody is like me. Or I wish I have friends that are like me. I wish I have people that are like me. I wish I have relatives that are like me. I wish I have co-workers that are just like me. Because you believe in yourself. You know yourself so well. You trust yourself. Right? And you feel like you are a good person to people. So sometimes you just want people to reciprocate what you've been doing for them, right? You just want them. Even though you understand not everybody is like you, but if you keep asking yourself that question or telling yourself, I wish people are like me. I wish I have this friend that is just like me. It makes you a good person, right? So when you figure out that you are a good person, there is no need to hold offense, to hold grudge, to hold bitterness. Good people always win. People with pure hearts and pure intentions always win. It might not be immediately, but definitely you are going to win. Because God oftentimes blesses us according to the disposition of our heart. And whatever is happening in life, everybody is going to face his or her karma. Whether being it positive or negative, we are all going to face it. So if you are a good person, when you are with them, you act as if you count, you commit 100%, you give the necessary respect and dignity. And at the end of the day, it doesn't work. That is okay. You know you've given your best. And when that happens, when they break up with you or whatever, either you leaving them, you are okay, you are confident because you know that you have given your all. That makes you feel great about yourself. Yes, even though it might feel hurting, but you just knowing that you are a good person, that is it. Yes, if you are a good person, you will get hurt. It will take you some time. Yeah, get some time off and healed. And when you healed, right, tell yourself that whatever good thing that you've lost is going to come back to you. Yeah, and they treating you bad, terribly, they will face their karma, because there's going to come a time when they will search and search. And when they realize that there is no one quite like you, they will start missing you. When they realize that there is no one that will accept them and take them serious, that is when they will start regretting hugely. And they will try to be reaching back to you, and then maybe their number, you don't even save it. You don't even have it. You've even forgotten their name. You've moved on. And that is they right there facing their karma. When it's gonna come a time, if you are a good person, they will realize that yes, they've left their gold, diamond, whilst they were busy chasing stones. They are definitely going to realize that they will get to understand. They will learn the hard way that indeed, not all that glitters is gold. The grass is not greener as they think, but the grass is greener where you take your time, you're patient, you're persistent, you persevere, you give love, you water it each and every day. That is where the grass becomes greener at. Oh yeah. And when they learn these things the hard way, they will start regretting. I'm telling you, they will. And some will try so hard to get back to you, but you've moved on. You're not gonna accept them. So that is a sure way to make those people regret losing you. Okay, don't keep malice, don't keep offense, right? The second thing you got to do, right, for them to regret losing you is you have to recreate yourself. Understand that life is not just about finding yourself, but life is about you recreating yourself each and every day, making each and every day count by creating yourself. How do you create yourself? You create yourself by working on yourself. You create yourself by choosing the path of self-development, self-growth. You create yourself by acquiring new knowledge, learning, relearning, unlearning certain things, all right? And developing great life philosophies, belief, mind power, willpower that is going to help you in this life to grow. That is how you recreate yourself as a chosen one. You can recreate yourself by hitting the gym. Yes, if you are too fat, you can recreate yourself by losing some weight, because some of you, maybe you are too obese. You are too obese and you need to lose some weight, right? You need to burn some fat. Maybe you're too slim. You have to work on yourself, build some muscle and some strength. It's a way of recreating yourself as a chosen one, right? Learn each and every day. Remember, the person that learns, that read, is a leader tomorrow. Oh yes, a reader today is a leader tomorrow. And when you learn, teach. Okay, when you have, give. These are the things that will turn your life around. It will take you all over the world. I'm telling you. That's it. That's exactly what I did. That is exactly what I'm doing. And that is why I'm sharing these powerful tips with you. Yes, I know some of you who have been following me for so long a time now, you're doing the same thing and you are doing great in life. Yes, if today is your first time of watching me, right? Remember that each and every day is an opportunity given to us to recreate ourselves, to reinvent ourselves. That power has been given to you. Yes, that is why you are in charge of your thoughts. Your thoughts become things. So you are in charge of your thoughts. Your thoughts become your words. You are in charge of your words. Your words become your actions. Your actions become your habits. Your habits become your character. Your character becomes your earthly destiny. So you are in charge of creating yourself. Greater is He that is in you. God is already in you, manifesting Himself so strong in your weakness. All you got to do is to recognize Him and put Him first, all right? Knowing that God is not one of such things, one of those things, but He is the only thing. So you put God first in whatever you do, and you keep working hard, going the extra mile, persevering, persisting, doing your best, right? You pray hard as if all depends on God, and you work hard as if all depends on you. That is how you recreate yourself, and you develop and you become a better version of yourself. Yes, and you will realize that no, there is no need to revenge anybody. The best revenge in this life is you becoming a better version of yourself, your true and authentic self. It's you becoming successful. That's it, chosen one. So try and recreate yourself. The power is always inside of you. You can choose to contemplate on positive thoughts so that it will help you create a positive life. You have the power to choose to speak positively for yourself, to affirm positive things for yourself. Yes, to command and decree and declare positive things into your life so that it will be established. Because we are created in the image and likeness of God. And in the beginning, God used words to create. So words are powerful energies that cast spell on us. If the world is against you, so many people are against you. You don't have to be against yourself, be sabotaging yourself with your own thoughts and with your own words. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. Only us can free ourselves. And it all depends on us. Right? When negative thoughts come, don't feed on it. Don't give it energy. Quickly say next and start to think of something positive. Maybe a dream life, a dream partner, a dream house, a dream car, how to make some passive income. Think about how can I afford this thing, and your mind will quickly shift on that, and you will not be giving energy to the negativity. And if you don't give energy to the negative thoughts that pops up, what happened? They will die unborn. Yes, it will fade into nothing else. Energy flows into what we focus on. Energy flows into what we give our attention to. What are you giving your attention to? Are you giving your attention to things that will change your life? Or you are giving your attention to things that will get you stressed up, depressed, frustrated, make you weak and feeble? Or you are giving your attention to positivity, to love, to the things of God, the things of the Spirit, right? So choose wisely. Don't be against yourself in your own mind, with your own words, and with your own actions and habits. You are in charge. Yes, you cannot, make people to treat you good or something. If you treat them good, right, that is your energy you've given out. How they respond to it, it's on them. It's not on you, right? Remember that. And the next thing you got to do is to, travel places, okay? You can travel places, you can take vacations, make new friends, you can take pictures with your new friends, with your new cycle, right? And maybe from time to time you can post one or two. And when this person that left you put away from you, thinking you nothing to write home about, when they see how good you're looking, because you've recreated yourself, how, you're moving on, how happy you are, how successful you're becoming, they will regret. They will regret for it. That's it. All right? That's it. But make sure you are living your life happily. Don't fake it, because fake never lasts. At the end of the day, those that are fake, they will be exposed. They are losers. There are people that fake their life. Yes, these days people only play games. Yes, there is a whole lot of teachings and ideologies, you know. So people play game. People, one time I heard someone saying, when someone texts you and you quickly reply the person, you know, they will take you for granted. So you don't have to reply or pick their call immediately and stuff. You know, if you are doing nothing, all right, and you are trying to play such a game, you will lose. You are a loser. Because at the end of the day, if truly you are busy with your life, it will be showing in your life. It will show in your growth, in what you're doing. So you can't fake life. Fake people always lose. They are losers. Yes. So don't fake it. Be your true and authentic self. Be yourself. Be who you are. And embrace who you are. Accept who you are. All right? If there are some flaws, try and work on it. All right? If you are the type that you've been visiting the site and be doing, try and stop all those things. All right? Try and stop all those things and recreate yourself by building real life relationship with the opposite gender. That is how you grow. That is how you develop. All right? That's it. Don't be in the exact same position where they've left you. Make sure you become a better person than when they left you. That's it. That's how you make them regret. All right. And if you have this kind of, celebrity crush or something, once in a while you can post your celebrity crush. Oh yes, this also works. It makes them regret. They will feel jealous. Oh yes. They will feel jealous. Then people are people. All right? Great. But make sure what you're doing is something that will bring growth to you yourself. Right? Great. That's it. Thank you, chosen ones. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. I'm out for now. Peace.